Hi everyone, it's been a while since my last video here. I took a short break from YouTube to prepare something very exciting. I've officially launched my educational project on Patreon. It's a space where I'll be sharing real-time video tutorials, downloadable outlines, and full explanations for those who want to learn how to draw realistic illustrations with alcohol markers. But don't worry, I'm also coming back to YouTube. Right now I'm still experimenting with different formats, but my main goal is the same, to share something helpful for artists who want to improve their skills and enjoy working with markers. Thank you so much for sticking with me. So let's go back to the artwork. Here I'm drawing 4 mini strawberry cheesecakes using alcohol markers. I'm starting with the strawberries, and for the base layer I'm using range of reds from light to dark. When the base layer is done, I made in some seeds with various reds. Adding highlights with help of white gel pen and white colored pencil. For the leaves of the strawberries, I'm using various shades of green. Now I'm looking in the base color for the top layer of the cheesecake, and this is very light pink. Laying down colors for the shaded areas with darker color and adding some textures. Adding deep shadows from the strawberries with dark red. Adding base colors for the cheesecake base. Now I'm building up the textures and contrast, working on the shadowed part as well. As always, I try to keep the colors vibrant and the textures soft, so it still feels like a dessert illustration, not just a photocopy. And, as a final touch, I'm using my neutral grays to draw the shadows. Adding a little bit of dimension to my artwork so my very light cheesecakes don't get lost onto the white background. If you'd like to follow this tutorial in real time, with printable outlines, exact marker colors, and step-by-step instructions, you can find the full lesson on my Patreon. The link is in the description. Thanks again for watching, and see you soon with more marker tutorials. Bye for now!